When last I left you, a little punch. Now this is a really easy follow-up. We open the arms, step back, follow back, step forward, follow forward. That's it. So we're here, we punch, weight on the left leg, right foot nice and light, left hand down, punch out. Back, back, forward, forward. Back, back, forward, forward. Back, back, forward, forward. Excellent. So from this punch, we punch, we go back, back, forward, forward. We're here with a punch. Open the hands, back, back, forward, forward. And from here, it's nice and easy. We just pivot on the heel and the toe. We inhale and we exhale. So let's put this all together now. Up, step left, brush, push, follow. Step back, follow. Slice, step, slice, down, step, punch, and follow. Step back, step forward, turn, inhale, exhale. We'll do that all together again. Up, step, brush, push, follow. Back, okay. Forward, shift forward, slice forward, forward, shift forward, turn the hands, slice forward, down, step, punch, back, forward, turn, inhale, exhale.